The pharmaceutical formulations are made up of or composed of the drug and the excipients and the packaging components. Drug substance or active pharmaceutical ingredients are vital in the pharmaceutical industry, and we should know about the production of these APIs or drug substances in the pharmaceutical industry. Welcome dear viewers to the video, and this video will provide you some understanding about the API production. As we know that some of the APIs are synthetic in nature, some of the APIs are derived from the biotechnology. So what is the API? API is nothing but it is a drug substance. It is called as active pharmaceutical ingredient. It is the active component of the drug product responsible for its therapeutic effect. So the pharmacological activity of the drug product is because of the API. This API is combined with the excipients, which are known as inactive ingredients, to form the final drug product. The final drug product may be the dosage form like tablet, capsule, injectable, topicals, and many others. The API is produced in the pharmaceutical industry, and the plant is called as API plant. The stages of the API production involves chemical or biological synthesis. Chemical synthesis involves multi-step reaction using the raw materials and intermediates. Biotechnology API production involves the biological processes, and biotechnology is used for the biologics like monoclonal antibodies, insulin via fermentation. So these are the examples for the biotechnologically derived APIs. Key steps in the API production involves reaction, isolation, purification, drying, and other also like milling, size reduction, size separation, or amorphous formation. Reaction involves combination of raw materials to form intermediates. Isolation is separation of the intermediates or API from the reaction mixture. It is followed by purification, crystallization, purification, chromatography, distillation. These are the operations for purification activities. Drying is involved to prepare the API. Formulation into finished formulation, or you can say it like FDF or finished dosage form. So it is outside the API plant. API combined with excipients to make the final formulation. Manufacturing environments are CGMP compliance, FDA compliance, EMA compliance, WHO and other regulatory authority compliance is required. It requires clean room environment and the validated processes. Types of API manufacturing facilities are there: captive manufacturing, contract manufacturing. You might have heard regarding the CMO activities. Captive manufacturing is a in-house production of the API by the pharma companies, and CMO activities involves independent producers for the multiple clients. Key considerations in the API productions are yield optimization, purity and stability, scalability, and regulatory filing. So regulatory filing involves filing of the DMF. Yield optimization involves maximizing the production, reducing the waste, and cost optimization also. Purity and stability ensure high quality and consistency. Scalability from lab to commercial scale. Regulatory filings include DMF filing and quality documentation. Now we'll see the trends and challenges. So outsourcing to other countries may provide the cost benefits. Rise in the biologics. There is a demand for the complex APIs like peptides. Supply chain security is the challenge, and it emphasizes on the traceability and diversification. Green chemistry involves eco-friendly, sustainable manufacturing practices for the APIs. So this is the short video on drug substance, active pharmaceutical ingredient production in the pharmaceutical industry. Always have a good understanding about the API production, API properties, and how these affect the finished formulation. Thank you for watching the video. Now you can learn from this channel in different languages. You can go to Autodoc option and you can change the language. Thank you for watching the video.